Hey guys, if your recycle bin has disappeared on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the recycle bin to reappear. So it's actually a straightforward one to fix. We just first need to come over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then head over to the Settings tab. From the left hand side, select Personalization and come into this Theme section here. Scroll all the way down and come inside of Desktop Icon Settings. Now this should bring up this window here, and obviously if your recycle bin is unchecked from this list, we simply just need to tick it in this box here, and then we can press apply and OK to save these changes. Now if I head back over to my desktop, as you can see the recycle bin has now reappeared on my computer. However, sometimes this might not always fix the issue, so if that's the case, what you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. So it could be the case that some of our core Windows system files are either corrupted or missing. So what you'll need to do is type in here sfc /scan now and hit enter. And this is going to scan all of our core Windows system files just to ensure that everything's in order. So once that scan gets to 100%, then if that still hasn't fixed the issue, the very last thing we're going to do is copy and paste this final command. Now I've got this saved in a notepad here, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this too. And then I'm just going to come and paste this command inside of here and hit enter. And once you've finished with that, we can close out of that window, and that should have now fixed any issues you were experiencing with your recycle bin. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.